Hello. It's good to see you again. I have some really good news in that my YouTube channel has finally gotten 1,000 subscribers. Yay! So I'm really appreciative for all those that have taken an interest in me and my brand of garden alchemy. So I look forward to sharing many interesting gardening goodies with you in the future. This is one of my container gardens in a very large green ceramic urn. I thought I would just share one of these beauties today. With this beautiful Koby Beharensis subnuda. It means it doesn't have the fuzz on it. Anyway, thank you everyone. Happy gardening. One of my design plantings, it's a very tall urn container, so I thought I'd share something fun. Thank you.